So when you're making your products, I think it's real important while you're building it, you should also build a jig for it. That way you can be able to duplicate it. So say like if you're coming up with something, you should also think of, okay, how can I duplicate this faster, and making a device where you can be able to um, start a pretty much like an assembly line off of it, start a production line off of the jig that you make. That way, whatever you're building can be easier next time. And I wanted to show you something. This is my jig for my shooting targets. I just finished finalizing it. I had a few things I had to fix on it. Now I got it just like I want it. You know, as you critiquing your product, you'll learn as you go that, oh man, maybe I can do this right here make it better, this right here make it better. And you want something reliable, good, safe, and then you want it also to be easy for you to work with, not real complicated if you got someone else doing it and you're not around. So I built a jig where someone else will be fabricating these for me when I'm not around, and getting other jobs and doing other things. So I'm gonna make a few of these actually, but this is the one that I'm gonna make first to get it started, and then I'm gonna make a table that I have a setup where a person can sit there and just make them and sit them over to the side, and as he tack them all up and together, someone else can weld them out. So that's the ideal of it. But you have to start from somewhere. You have to get things lined out. As you see, I've been working. I got pieces over there lined up that I use to help me come up with it. I'm sitting here messing with this one. So, as I go, I come up with different ideas, and I try to just kill a couple birds with one stone. And I think it's real wise when you're working on your products like that. Hold on.